Google Sheets, as a cloud-based online spreadsheet application, offers significant advantages in cross-platform real-time synchronization, cloud collaboration, and seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Moreover, Google Sheets features strong extensibility with script support, as well as robust data security and sharing permission controls, making it highly suitable for data backup. In this video, I will demonstrate how to upload real-time data from a VBox to Google Sheets, creating an online data logging document. This can help some customers obtain longer-term historical records of real-time tags and generate corresponding charts. The workflow for this demo is shown in the diagram. The VBox initiates an HTTP POST request containing data, usually in JSON format via a Lua script, sending the request to the Google Apps script URL deployed as a web app. The Apps script receives the request through the doPost function, parses the incoming data, automatically adds a timestamp on the server side, and then writes the processed data into the designated Google Sheets. Step 1. Create a table file based on actual needs and fill in the headers. Step 2. Modify the access permissions of the sheet to anyone on the internet with the link can edit. Step 3. Enable the Apps script extension feature for the sheet. Step 4. On the Apps script editing page, program script according to actual needs. Step 5. Select the web application type, set the user permissions, and complete the deployment of the script. Step 6. In the Manage Deployments interface, obtain the URL of the web app. Then, we can test the web app via API testing tool. If our initiated POST request receives a normal response, the data in the Google Sheet is updated. It indicates that the configuration on the Google Sheets side is complete. At this point, you can change the general access of the Google Sheet to restricted. This will help improve data security without affecting the use of the web app. Subsequently, we proceed with the configuration and script programming on the VBox side. First, create suitable real-time tags based on requirements. This data will be correspondingly sent to the Google Sheet. Then, create a timed execution script. The trigger interval can be customized. And program in the Lua script editing interface, encoding the real-time tags data into a JSON format recognizable by Apps script, and send a POST request to the web app. This script demo has been uploaded to the Wecken Support Center. You can obtain the script used in this demo via the link in the video description or by scanning the QR code on the right. Finally, let's quickly review the actual execution effect of the script. The data is successfully synchronized to the Google Sheet according to the script schedule trigger cycle. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.